building your business, you're developing your career and what direction you want your life to go in, you have to realize one fact. The road that you're traveling on is narrow, meaning that there's not a lot of people who's traveling that same road where you can actually see eye to eye. Now, there is a lot of people on this road, but majority of the people going to be on the other end, working for others, asking for handouts, saying they need this and that from the government without, developing it and building it themselves. We're living in a day and age where being independent is an asset, but knowing how to be independent, knowing how to start your LLCs, knowing how to get your business off the ground, make the proper investments, and to realize one fact, that our money can work harder and longer for us than we can. So that way you'll stop spinning your wheels and trying to be somebody that you're not. Just be you and allow your money to grow and allow your money to work for you and put it in the right places. People on the outside tend to look at us like we're ATMs or something because they see us grinding all the time. But we're trying to get ourselves out the hole and trying to build something that could actually last, something we can pass down to our kids and their kids and their kids. And it takes time when you're doing it. So I understand, when you get to that point in your life where you feel discouraged, like, man, what direction should I go? Because I face it all the time because, truth be told, things ain't fair, but that doesn't mean that you can't accomplish it, and for my black man and black sisters out there, we got an extra hurdle to climb. So don't get discouraged for the situation you're in or the people that that's asking but don't want to help you. You know what I mean? You got a lot of people that be like, oh man, you're doing good. They'll pat you on your back. But when you ask for some assistance, you on your own. You know what I mean? So just don't get discouraged and throw in the towel, man, because anything that's worth it, you're going to have some sacrifice with it. You're going to have some hard times, some groaning, some growing pains. So use this time to just build. And don't get discouraged. You know what I mean? Don't allow people from the outside to tarnish your vision. It's your vision, remember that. So it's not no one else's responsibility to water your vision or to tend to it, but you. You got to be that gardener. You got to go out there and put water. You got to go out there and make sure the bugs ain't on it. You got to go out there and make sure that it's growing properly, because you can't depend on someone else to make sure that your vision, your dreams grow. So keep that in mind when you out here getting your hog on. Black Phoenix.